Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Carly again. I am trying to keep up with my promise to put videos out every week. So here we have just your typical speed paint again. So hope you don't mind. I just threw together this little watercolor piece. It's inspired from a sketch that I did at the airport. So yeah, that's awesome. I will show you that real quick as well. Just a little flash on the screen right there. So she was inspired from a place of just feeling kind of like I'm just floating, I guess free floating in a pool of just options with my life. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go to art school this fall or not. It should just be like a done deal, like let's go kind of decision, but I didn't realize how expensive this school is, as any private art school would be. It's just a lot of money and it's looming over my head, and that's a little bit scary, and that's okay. But this artwork is kind of inspired by that, and just feeling like kind of dazed and just floating in this pool, and just like my eyes are shining so bright with the future, but then I'm also just kind of floating, free floating a little bit. Is that TMI? Maybe. But regardless, I hope you enjoy this piece of artwork, and it doesn't matter, school, no school. See how it goes. I was so excited about it in my last video, and I still am excited about it. I would love to go to Florida and study art for 4 years, get my bachelor's, and live happily ever after, but sometimes life and money, it's scary. I'd have to pull out a bunch of student loans, so I'm just trying to figure that out, talk to my financial advisor to figure everything out, and maybe start applying for scholarships as much as I can. So yeah, it's all kind of up in the air, and that's just kind of how life is sometimes. Just gotta go with the flow, I guess. But anyway, yeah. Honestly, part of me just wants to just jump on a cruise ship and travel the world for the next year or two instead, and maybe save up a bunch of money, because I've heard you can just save money on a cruise ship while you're working. They pay for your food, they pay for your lodging, and just travel all around the world. But that might just be me being too stressed out about all the money that would go into it. Yeah, I hope you guys don't mind me just ranting on this voiceover. I never know what to talk about in the voiceovers anyway, but who knows? All right, let's talk about this piece again. I don't know if I made the right choices with the colors. I knew I wanted there to be purple in it just because purple's my favorite color, but I'm not sure about the purple background and the warmth in the face. I'm not sure if it really complements each other super well, but I do like the way she turns out in the end with the dark bluish purple outline around her face. That's when the piece really comes together. And yeah, I feel like the piece always comes together once I start adding the colored pencil. Once it's just watercolor by itself, it kind of looks funny until I go in and really just carve out the details with colored pencil. That's probably my favorite part when I'm working on these watercolor pieces. I guess you could call them mixed media since it is watercolor and colored pencil, and then a little bit of white gel pen on top. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the voiceover here because I'm just struggling through it a little bit, but I promise next week's video is gonna have more content. I'm planning out a sketchbook tour video, sketchbook tour number 3, so look forward to that, and I'll talk to you guys next week. All right, bye.